So, I was up late last night doing a lot of work on this thing, and I'd bring it out here. Took a little test run of a few things I did last night, and they responded well. He stays on the ground now, and this is in high gear, no front locker. Actually, neither one of them are locked right now. And just see how this guy, Mr. Hyde, I take him along this route. This is how we get started. Here's the beginning of the video.
Decent amount of stuff because
do you mind if I get your rig on a video?
Oh yeah, man, cool. For sure. This one's the Yukon right here.
Is it?
Yeah, so it has cutting brakes, but I don't think they're adjusted right. So this back wheel is supposed to lock up when you're going. So if I turn, do I have it on? Let's see. I don't know. I don't lock both the diffs. I think it's this button.
So when you turn it, oh, I see what it is. It gives you a better turn.
Yeah,
so
it's supposed to have a cutting brake. Oh, there, it's that button, not
I see
this
it.
one. So now,
yeah, dude, that's very cool.
Oh yeah, man. I got my wife's cancer tribute truck in the car, so it's a 8-scale Land Rover.
Well, I'll catch you on the roundabout, man.
For sure.
All right, good, Jack.
Jack, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Had a little goalie test. Let's see how he does on this particular incline right here. Now I'm in all locked and now I'm in low. And this is what I mean. All those upgrades are keeping this guy on the ground. He has not been tipping in the same manner. He is very good at not going backwards. I mean, look at that, guys. Just absolutely tearing it up. Something is squeaking. Good. All right, so now we are back in high. Is a warm one. I wouldn't be shocked if people were not out and about today. All right, come on, Mr. Hyde. So I'm still in high. Oh, that's gonna be the kind of environment that I wanted to see how it did. And look guys, he is front end heavy. He does not tip backwards like he was before. And look at that, not even a hesitation. And that was a pretty steep. Oh, wow, that water's not very deep at all. Those geese are just standing there. So what I'm going to try next is, if y'all see here, that is one heck of a steep rock. We're going to give that one a shot. All right guys, so I'm about to take Mr. Hyde here and go crawling up this super steep rock. So let's see how he does. Great results. I mean, look at these inclines, guys. We are talking like full on 48, 49 degree easily inclines. And that front end is just sticking to the ground. You know, I know a lot of people can be critical sometimes of upgrades, but I gotta tell you, in this situation, all that weight I put in on the front is showing itself in loads, and it's great. So down this trail to head back the other direction, and I was like, well, let's just see how much power this has. So watch this. That sucker will kick up dust. It is that strong. Now I have it in crawler mode too, so that's even more surprising, because that means it's evenly. all locked, 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 locked. And see, that is a great balance on my front end. If you look at that, the back end has moved around. That would have been perfect. So let's see if I can do this with minimal body scraping.